देहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुं वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगं रघुनाथान्वितां तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं श्रीकृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगं ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगतपते गोपेशा गोपिका कांता श्री राधा कांता नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। मूकं करोति वाचालं भंगुं लंघयते गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे श्रीगुरुं दीनतारिणं परमानन्दं माधवं श्रीचैतन्येश्वरम्। Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
You okay? All right. Wow. Houseful. थोड़ा सा आगे थोड़ा सा आगे ठीक है। Really nice. अभी और लोग आएंगे शायद. I think it'll be good. Okay. He's here, huh? My son is here today. He's going to give the rest of the class. All right.
Explain it to him.
He doesn't need explaining. Do you need any explaining? Nothing. See? I told you. All right. So, thank you very much. आप सब लोगों को. I really appreciate Friday को. You are here. All of you. Thank you very much. It is so lovely to see you once a week. This is like पूरे हफ्ते में whatever we have gone through, I have an opportunity to serve you on a Friday. It is such an honor. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, giving all of us this opportunity to serve you. And मैंने आप लोगों को बताया था last class में कि the whole idea about our soul is our soul wants to serve, and every time we are in that serving mood, that is the only time we'll get this bliss. So I'm really grateful that you guys are giving this opportunity to all of us to feel that bliss. So I'm really thankful to each one of you. Thank you very much. It's a very auspicious day in the sense it's a Friday. It's a party day usually, and especially after work. So thank you very much. So let's do a quick recap. So what we are doing is we've done search for happiness. We discussed does God exist, and now we're discussing who am I. उसके बाद 3 और टॉपिक हैं, and then we will do karma and all those sort of things. Now the current topic is who am I. फिर हम लोगों ने उसमें देखा था कि why is the worth of the body कितनी थी, बॉडी की कितनी वर्थ थी, $5 is maximum, है ना? What's happening? It's on its own. It's going on its own. All right. So, and then we discussed कि scripture says that we are not body, but we are soul. हम लोगों ने काफी सारे example भी लिए थे. Like, you know, if I say, what is this? This is hand. Whose hand is it? My hand. So I am not hand. This is my hand. That means this belongs to me. And there is a difference between this and me. ये हम लोगों ने discuss करा था. That means if this is my body, then who is me? That's a soul, spirit soul. We discussed in detail. So if I am connected to the internet, we will see this quick video and then we'll start. Oh, it's not connected to the internet. Huh? Let me check. Yeah, the internet is. Signal नहीं है internet का.
Hotspot चाहिए.
I'll get the hotspot. Fine. निर्मल रोगन. उनका वो है ना Telstra में. Telstra आपका कौन सा है? ना Optus नहीं चलेगा.
प्रभु यार try करो boost. ये Telstra का नेटवर्क. Telstra यार.
आपको Telstra is
okay,
more.
बस सही है.
Let's try. Give it a go with this one and then we'll try. Let's try going from here. Now I will take a bit of time. It's ready. Why is sound not there?
Put it high. Restart. Turn the volume. I think restart.
There is a reason why it's not working. Because it's connected to my Bluetooth. AirPods say connected. Sorry guys. Ready? Take 3.
My world was what I made of it. And what I made was not fulfilling. I was in pieces, scattered and stretched to the highest heights and the deepest depths. I was in pieces. I was stuck. So unsure, unfulfilled, craving more, but the answers were always waiting for a simple invitation, a surrender of control to begin transformation. Revelation brought change and a new level of insight. From a place of nothingness now came purpose and life. I am a product of creation. I am more than enough. I am who I am, regardless of the past. I am ever changing, always moving, growing, learning, and improving. My world is what I make of it. I am deeper than the oceans and more complex than the stars. There is so much that makes up who I am. I am gentle. I am proud. I am grand and courageous. I am loud. I am the collection well spent to lead me to now. Now I am whole. Make no mistake, I am a work in progress and delighted to be perfectly imperfect. But what was lost has been returned. My cries were never left unheard. I want every fibre of every spirit to know this truth that I now know. Your world is what you make of it.
Okay. Anyone remembers any points from the slide? What stood out for me was I live to be corrected. I'm not perfect and I live to be corrected. I'm a work in progress. Yes.
I'm happy to be imperfect.
I'm happy to be imperfect. I'm delighted that I'm imperfect, you know. So, all of these questions, all of these things, all of these statements are only valid if you understand who you are. If you don't know who you are, if I don't know who I am, who am I? I'm crazy, you know, because crazy people don't know who they are and they act like someone they are not. You know, I met with a guy whose uncle has a syndrome now, which has got a name, I forgot. He thinks he's a bird. He's around 53 years old, but he thinks he's a bird. He eats like a bird. When he's walking, he's flapping his hands. And sometimes he's imagining that he's flying. It is very dangerous position because they have to make sure that he's in purview or he can't go upstairs or anything like that because he can jump from anywhere thinking that he's flying. The reason why, if we don't know who we are, we can see that he has a condition, हमें पता चल रहा है ना, he has a condition. But we all have a condition as well. We don't know who we are. Because I think who I am his father. I am not just his father. I'm a father, I'm a husband, I'm a son, I'm a brother, I'm an uncle, you know, I'm a friend, enemy, you know, not Prabhu, but everything else. So, you know what I mean? So these are my designation. This is not who I am. So, अगर कोई बैंक से मुझे पूछे, someone in a LinkedIn conference में खड़ा होगा, if they ask me who are you, I will tell them, this is my name and this is my job. अगर मैं मंदिर में होऊंगा, जैसे who are you, say I just say my spiritual name, Vishnu Priyeshwar Das, that's my name, you know. So अलग-अलग context में अलग-अलग तरीके से मैं जवाब दे रहा हूँ. What does that mean? That means I need to know who I am apart from these designation. ये designation जरूरी है, हमें पता होनी चाहिए. We have had duty with these designations, these उपाधियां, but we need to know who I am. If I don't know, then we're crazy. And then we discussed cage and the body. हम लोगों ने discuss करा था. This lady got a cage, but she forgot to feed the bird, and the bird dies. So what is this cage representing? The body. What is the bird representing? Soul. Yeah. And so हम लोग अगर soul को खाना खिलाना बंद कर देंगे, and we are only taking care of this body, what does that mean? That the soul will one day, soul never dies, but soul will not be able to function the way it's supposed to function. Then we discussed about the proof of soul, है ना? तो हम लोगों ने क्या देखा था? There are few proofs of soul: logic, science, scriptures. ठीक है? Common sense, introspection. हम लोगों ने देखा था. Common sense क्या था? कि for example, somebody is passed away, we say the person has passed away. Body is still there, but the person passed away. That means the person is who? The soul. It's the common sense. ठीक है? Second is introspection. Introspection में हमने बोला था, you know, this is my watch, This is Prabhu was there. Thank you. So he was here, and I was trying to get his wallet, but obviously unsuccessful. So what was it? That was his watch. That was not him. His watch and him is different, and his watch belonged to him. That means he is different from the watch. इसी तरीके से, if this body belongs to me, I am different from this body. And I own this body, but I am different from the body. फिर हम लोगों ने देखा था cause and effect. The third way of finding out is cause and effect. If the car is driving, we know there is a driver. You know, unless it's Tesla. But even Tesla, there is someone who is giving the instruction. You know. So we know the cause and effect. So if the body is moving, there's something is moving. And there is one thing I was discussing with someone. I had a chat with one of my friends whose father is a cardiologist. And he does, he used to do, not anymore, he's retired. He used to do open heart surgeries. And I asked him, like, you know, there is a heart में एक जगह होती है, pacemaker कहते हैं जिसको, एक अलग से pacemaker लगता है, you know, pacemaker क्या करता है? It actually creates generates electrical sparks, जिसके कारण your heart will keep pumping. लेकिन जब pacemaker नहीं है, artificial नहीं है, तो there is an inbuilt pacemaker जो हमारे दिल में होता है. That pacemaker gets an electrical signal from somewhere. Nobody knows where. So I asked him, hey, where is the signal coming from? He said, oh, signals are coming from the tissues. The heart में tissues होते हैं, they create that. मैंने कहा वो जो, लेकिन अगर वो tissue electricity generate कर रहे हैं, उनके पास कहाँ से आ रही है? Then he said कि हम जो खाना खाते हैं उससे जो एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस हो रही है वो उसको करती है. तो फिर मैंने उसको बोला कि अगर हम लोग कोई फास्ट कर रहा है बहुत सारे दिनों तक तो उसका हार्ट तो कमजोर हो जाना चाहिए, लेकिन हार्ट डजंट गेट वीक व्हेन पीपल आर फास्टिंग. सो इट्स नॉट द फूड दैट इज गिविंग एनर्जी. कहता है यू राइट, देयर इज अ स्पार्क दैट गिव्स एनर्जी टू द होल हार्ट पंप करने के लिए. एक छोटी दैट थिंग दैट गिव्स एनर्जी इज व्हाट? soul gives that energy. So it was very interesting talking to a cardiologist because he was saying, I don't know कहाँ से आती है वो. There is something in हमारे पूरे शरीर में, we don't have a battery. Do we have a battery? We don't have a battery. तो मैंने उनको बोला we don't have a battery, तो उन्होंने बोला we have polarity. हमारे पास we have magnetic field or all those sort of things. मैंने कहा but where is it coming from? Has to be somewhere ना. ऐसा नहीं है कि there has to be some source of that, and nobody knows what is the source of that electric current that beats the heart without an artificial pacemaker. They call it a pacemaker actually inside जो body के इसमें होता है heart में. It was interesting. Anyway, so उसके बाद हम लोगों ने देखा था near death experiences. We discussed a lot of that in detail. Then we discussed reincarnation. We discussed science of reincarnation. Dr. Stevenson's के हम लोगों ने वो देखे थे some case studies. Then we discussed this dehinosmin yatha dehe kaumaram yovanam jara tatha dehantar prapti dhiras tatra namuhite. So we discussed ki as the embodied soul, same soul is going from a little boy all the way to an adult and old age and it's dying. Same soul is going through the same cycle. And then we'll discuss Vasham shijirnani yatha vihaya navani granati naro parani तथा शरीराणि विहाय जीर्णानि अन्यानि संयाति नवानि देहि. As a person puts on new garments and give up old ones, the soul similarly accepts the new material bodies and giving up the old and useless ones. So at the time of death, what happens is soul moves on, body stays here. अब कोई बोलेगा ये information क्यों important है? Why is this? Anybody tell me why is this information? How does this information help us? Anyone? Where's the other mic? Even. What? Yes.
Not to be sad and talk about it.
Yes, to let us cope with this thing. To let us cope. क्योंकि क्या है कि the reason why people are sad, people get sad is they think the person is finished, it's gone, there is nothing. खत्म हो गया बिल्कुल. But when we understand this thing, what we realize is नहीं यार, the person has passed away. That means he's gone. The soul is gone. And we'll discuss more. फिर हम लोगों ने we didn't discuss this particular slides. We'll discuss it today. कार और बॉडी और कार में क्या क्या वो सॉरी कार में और सोल में क्या क्या सिमिलैरिटीज हैं. बॉडी क्या होता है? बॉडी हैज माउथ टू स्पीक, कार हैज हॉर्न साउंड करने के लिए. बॉडी हैज आईज टू सी, कार हैज हेडलाइट्स टू सी. हार्ट हैज टू पंप द ब्लड, एंड उसमें क्या है? कार के साथ कार पास क्या है? रेडिएटर. वी हैव हैंड्स एंड लेग्स टू मूव, कार के पास 4 wheels to move. ठीक है? So that means exactly the way we need a driver to move a car, we need a soul to move this body. So we discuss this. Then उसके बाद हम लोगों ने डिस्कस करा था we were started discussing how many bodies do we have, and we started discussing on it. Anybody remember how many bodies we have? 3 bodies. Yeah. Anybody knows what are those 3 bodies? Gross body, subtle body, and spiritual. Yes, who said that? Very good, very good. So there is material body which is consisting of gross body and subtle body, and there is a superior spiritual body which is Satchit Anand. That is correct. So अब how do we understand this? बिल्कुल simple सा example लिया है. So gross body is made out of 5 elements: earth, water, fire, air and ether, है ना? And subtle body is made out of mind, intelligence and false ego. Now when someone dies, what happens? Gross body is burnt or cremated or buried, लेकिन subtle body goes with the soul. एक कवरी के साथ वो चली जाती है. And that's why some people who commit suicide, what happens? They want to get rid of their anxiety, which is coming from where? Mind. But guess what? They carry that with them. So the anxiety does not go away. It actually becomes millions of fold worse, because now they don't have body anymore. They have those thoughts. They're hungry, they're thirsty, they're angry. Everything is there. All the emotions are there, but they don't have a body to express those emotions. And that is why when you understand this, you understand that yaar, anxiety mein, if I'm anxious, there is no point doing any harm to myself, because I'm going to be in a worse situation. That knowledge itself actually saves a lot of people for doing stupid things. You know? So let's understand this. 3 bodies कैसे हैं? The gross body is like gross body is the outer body. ठीक है? उसके अंदर क्या होता है? Jacket, which is mind, vest, mind, intelligence. And उसके अंदर, vest के अंदर जो होता है, that is spiritual soul. Now spirit soul is Sat Chit Anand, which is eternal, and it has full of knowledge, and it is blissful. And हम लोगों ने last week discuss करा था how can a soul, जब soul actually blissful है, तो why we are not blissful? हमारी soul blissful है. Why we are not blissful then? Because we are the soul. अभी हम discuss कर रहे हैं. We are the soul. Our soul is eternal. Our soul is fully knowledgeable. That means it has got knowledge of everything, and it is always in bliss. Then why we don't feel that bliss? Yes. And why do we identify with the gross body?
We don't know the soul.
Yes. What is that called? It's called ignorance. Because we don't know who we are. If we don't know who we are, we will always think this is me. And we discussed that example of Mercedes, in the parking lot. If you think that that's your Mercedes, somebody hit it, you're like, oh my goodness, what happened? And then suddenly you realize, oh, that's not mine. Then you're okay. Same car, same dent, but you have no problem. Because now you're not attached. You're not identifying yourself with that car. So similarly, this body, तभी आपको पता है कि हमारे शास्त्रों में you see all these, have you been to Vrindavan and you see all these Babajis walking around? So there is a Babaji in Vrindavan. He has been doing Govardhan Parikrama for last 42 years. He has only done 1.5 Parikrama as so far in 42 years. उनके पास कोई घर नहीं है. He does not have a house. So what he does is, he has one lower, one top क्या गमछा है, and he has a प्लेट भी नहीं है उनके पास. He has 108 stones with him. वो क्या करते हैं? 108 times दंडवत प्रणाम करते हैं. Then he puts the stone over there. Not 108, 1008 times. 1008 times प्रणाम करते हैं. Then he steps to the next stone and then he does 1008 प्रणाम again. So लोगों को दया आ गई उन पे, तो उन्होंने उनको क्या कर दिया? एक ठेला दे दिया. You know what ठेला is? How do you tell these guys ठेला? Cart. A wheel cart. They've given him a wheel cart. उसके, और when it's raining, he doesn't have a house, so he goes and sits under the cart. And जब बारिश बंद हो जाती, he starts doing the whole thing again. कोई खाना दे देता है, he eats. खाना नहीं मिलता है, it's okay. If it's too cold, somebody gives a blanket, it's okay. Otherwise, he just. That's how he's living. And if you meet him, he is the most blissful person you will see, because he does not identify himself with his body. He knows he is a spirit soul. So हमारे और ब्लिस में कितना डिफरेंस है? उतना ही डिफरेंस है जितना हमारी इग्नोरेंस है. If we reduce that ignorance, we are going towards getting into bliss. And the day we get rid of that ignorance, we will feel blissful. और आप लोगों को कई बार देखा होगा, I don't know whether you have seen it, कभी कभी suddenly we feel this amazing bliss. You have no idea क्यों हुआ है ना? ये उस समय की नहीं बोल रहा हूँ जब we propose someone and they said yes. उस समय की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm talking about those times when like you sitting down, you have no idea एकदम से, and then you look at your partner, you look at your son, and you feel so much of love. They haven't done anything, you just feel it. That is bliss. क्योंकि उस moment पे, for this fraction of a moment, we don't attach ourselves with that body. So that is the trick, but we'll talk more about it. The soul is covered by, so how, तो आपने बोला ना, because हमारी जो soul है वो blissful इसलिए नहीं है, because we don't, it's cover है, soul के ऊपर एक cover है, that is cover of gross and subtle coverings. ठीक है? तो यहाँ पर it is explained that this is the top one, then this is gross body, earth, water, fire, air and ether. Then उसके अंदर एक और body है, that body is made out of subtle body, which is mind, intelligence and ego. और उसके अंदर the yellow one, that is who we really are. This is the soul. ठीक है? Sorry? It's not, it's just a representation. It's not. Whoever drew this, they didn't have time to draw the whole body. Maybe. Okay? Does it make sense? So that is soul. So soul is eternity, knowledge and bliss. Now, how do we... इसको बहुत अच्छे से समझने का एक एग्जाम्पल है, and I really want you to concentrate on this because this example is given in Bhagavad Gita, and if we understand this, हमारी 90% प्रॉब्लम पूरी सॉल्व हो जाएंगी. Let's discuss this. So, there are 5 horses in this cart, है ना? ये जो chariot है इसमें 5 horses है. The 5 horses represent our senses: nose, eyes, skin, tongue, and ears. Okay. And the guy who's a charioteer, his intelligence and the reins, the ropes that are connected to the horses, they are mind. And the person who is sitting at the back in white, that's us. That's us. Now, think about it. Powerful घोड़े, ठीक है? Now, if mind... there is the difference between... does anyone know what is the difference between mind and an intelligence? We discussed it a little bit. किसी को याद है? आप just नहीं भी याद है तो just talk. Let's discuss it. What is the difference between mind and intelligence? What is the faculty which is called mind? There is a faculty called intelligence. They are 2 separate faculties. But what is the difference?
I think our mind keeps wandering around.
Yes.
And our senses, like,
just mind, just talk about mind.
Keeps wandering around. But intelligence is what tells us what's right, what's wrong.
Yes, correct. So intelligence is making a decision. Intelligence tells you, hey, this is wrong, this is right. And mind does not understand yes, no, right, wrong. It just knows feeling. मजा आ रहा है? फिर तो करते हैं. मजा नहीं आ रहा है? It's rubbish. आपको पता है, Now literally look around all these people. हमारे साथ जो बैठे हैं, हम लोग सब लोग बैठे हैं, and I can guarantee you, only half of you will remain in this class by the time we finish our course.
Last time it came down to quarter.
Quarter. Sorry, beta. Okay, only quarter will remain. Yes.
I have a question.
Yes.
If we know some,
Can I pass the mic for the recording purpose? Because
if we know some situation is wrong, we know that,
Mhm.
but we still do that. So is it mind or intelligence?
yeah, it's a weird. That's what we're going to talk about now. So let's get the difference, and then we'll get to that question. So the reason I'm saying how only half or a quarter of you will remain is because intelligence needs to make a decision. Mind क्या करता है? Mind सिर्फ ये बोलता है, look, मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है और मेरे को नहीं अच्छा लग रहा है. अगर यहाँ क्लास में आना आपको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, कुछ बच्चों को अगर क्लास में बैठना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, so what will happen? They will, अगर mind strong है, आपकी feeling ज़्यादा strong है, then he won't come. And I can tell you this. And intelligence का क्या काम है? To make a decision, tell you right or wrong. लेकिन क्या होता है? आपको, how many of you have this thing? Tomorrow morning, I'm gonna wake up at 4 and I'm gonna go to the gym. 4 o'clock होता है, alarm बजता है. So what happens is, because your intelligence has told you, hey, good thing is to get up in the morning, early morning, go to gym. Intelligence ने बता दिया. And intelligence ने mind को भी बोला, hey, remember, you may not feel good in the morning, but remember you have to go. So wake up in the morning, you alarm बजता है, mind तुरंत बोलता है, इतनी अच्छी नींद आ रही है, पागल है क्या? Did you see it's like 3 degrees outside? What are you talking about? You kidding me? Like 3 degrees. फिर intelligence बोलती है, no, but it is good. Mind कहता है, ले, you have worked whole day. अभी तू उठ गया, पूरा दिन बर्बाद होने वाला है. You want to be productive or not? Because what mind wants?
Pleasure.
Does mind want pleasure? Mind is only concerned about I like it or I don't like it. लेकिन इंटेलिजेंस क्या बोलती है? इंटेलिजेंस कहती है, इंटेलिजेंस डज नॉट फील एनीथिंग. एक सेकंड बेटा, इस बात को टच करो. So what happens is, I've got a friend who does a lot of investing, and he was telling me for last 15 years he has been investing, and he was investing from his own, मतलब खुद का दिमाग लगा के. Then he bought a bot, है ना? उसने क्या करा, एक प्रोग्राम खरीदा. वो प्रोग्राम बिना इमोशंस के इन्वेस्ट करता है, and he is making money now. His losses have dropped down completely. क्यों? Because he is not emotional. Intelligence क्या होती है? No emotions. It is right, this is right, and this is wrong. People who smoke, they intelligence tell them this is not good for you, but mind tells them, यार कितने लोग मर गए यार सिगरेट पी के. एक ही लाइफ है, क्या करना है ना? खाओ पियो ऐश करो मित्रों. That's it. So what happened is, now mind is tricking you. सुबह उठे, चलो ठीक है, you snoozed. 5 माइंड ने बोला, यार चल ठीक है, तू मान नहीं रहा है ना, चल 5 मिनट और सो जा, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? तेरे को पता है पावर नैप ऑफ 5 मिनट्स इक्वल टू 1 आवर. माइंड दे रहा है ना. ओके ठीक है, 5 मिनट स्नूज करा, एंड देन अगेन इंटेलिजेंस गोज, hey, you got to get up. He goes, no, 5 मिनट देख, आधा घंटा जिम जाना था, 25 मिनट जाएगा तो क्या फर्क पड़ जाएगा? एक काम कर, नहाने की जरूरत नहीं है, ऐसे ही चले जाना, क्योंकि जिम के बाद तो नहाना पड़ेगा वैसे भी. तो ऐसा करते हैं, 5 मिनट हो जा, नहाने का टाइम बच जाएगा. एंड सडनली व्हाट हैपेंस इज, नाउ देयर इज अ टसल बिटवीन हु? माइंड एंड इंटेलिजेंस. Tell me who will win. Why?
Because you always want to be.
Yeah.
Because you always want to have comfort in your life.
You always want comfort in your life. Spot on. You always want comfort in your life. Now, if I want intelligence to win, what do I need to do?
Here intelligence very first time.
Here. It's gone. Other one. तो इसमें बैटरी डलो. So So, oh, I think that उसकी बैटरी गई. हाँ? नहीं, it's on already. No, that battery is gone.
तब उसको लगा के रखना पड़ेगा.
थोड़ा उसको ऊपर रख दो प्रभु. ऑन है वो?
लेटा दो प्रभु.
Anu Prabhu is our technician.
Is he 90? Is he qualified 90?
You know, Anu Prabhu does not need any qualification.
Anyways, he did build his own house. Maybe he can build a tiny
Okay. Hare Krishna. प्रभु एको कम कर दो उसको. एको बहुत है. ऐसा लग रहा है मैं समय हूँ. हेलो. हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम. थोड़ा वॉल्यूम बढ़ाओ प्रभु. एंड हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे. हरे कृष्णा. आवाज ठीक है? हेलो. हाँ. Oh yes, perfect. Okay, so who will win? Mind wins because बेटा एक सेकंड ना, don't touch it because वो next team पे चला जाएगा नहीं तो. The reason mind will win is because mind is more powerful. But if you want intelligence to win, what do you have to do? Huh? Take up the pain. But how do you take up the pain? What will make you take up the pain? Yes.
Overcome the mind.
Overcome. Yes. How do we overcome the mind? That's the problem. Then how do we do it?
I was listening to someone and he said a very beautiful thing. He said that the pain of discipline is, uncomfortable.
Yes.
But the pain of regret is unbearable.
Perfect. This knowledge is perfect. But then how? Still doesn't work.
Give it a time before you take a comfort.
Give it a time before take a comfort. These are all solutions. These are all the solutions. But how? Yes. How can we do that? Like we know
You
that.
have to look at the benefit in the future.
Benefit in the future. Yes.
And use that as a motivation to take.
Yes. Perfect. So for example, if you're walking on a mall, okay, you see this amazing Armani, Armani ki jacket. Oh, amazing, man. Then you go and put it on and look amazing. Then you look at the price tag like, yeah, it was amazing. Not anymore. You put it back. Lekin, suppose you got this Armani ki jacket and you know that this is your first date with the love of your life. Then you put it on, you're like, oh my goodness, I look really good. It is expensive, but it is worth it. So what happened? पैसा आपके पास उतना ही है, अभी भी आपको महंगी लग रही है. You bought it because the price that you paying and what you getting is different. So apparently getting, you're not necessarily getting, apparently that you're getting. Now, the problem with that is how do we do that? So simple example है, this Prabhu says, if everybody has two wolves inside you, one is good, one is bad. Who will win?
Strong one.
Whoever you feed more will win. So, if the intelligence, I'll ask the same question again. If you want हम लोगों को clearly पता है हमारा mind जीत जाता है. अगर हमें अपने mind को नहीं जीतने देना है, what do we have to do now after we discuss this? Feed intelligence. Now question is, how do I feed intelligence? Isn't it? Hang on. If I know how to feed intelligence, actually क्या mind को हम लोग starve नहीं कर सकते. कर सकते हैं और it's very hard. अगर for example हमारे पास खाना है, ठीक है, माइंड को भी खिला रहे हैं, इंटेलिजेंस को भी खिला रहे हैं। इंटेलिजेंस को ज्यादा खिलाओ, इंटेलिजेंस जितनी पावरफुल होती जाएगी, माइंड उतना उसके कंपैरिजन में कमजोर होता जाएगा। यू नो, अगर आपके पास फ्रैक्शन है, देयर इज अ टू वेज टू इंक्रीज अ फ्रैक्शन, या तो न्यूमरेटर बढ़ा दो या डिनोमिनेटर घटा दो, दैट्स इट। आइदर यू डोंट फीड द माइंड or you feed the intelligence more. Easier thing is to feed the intelligence more. Now, how do we feed the intelligence? इस पर कुछ बोला था?
By chanting.
Huh?
By chanting.
Yes, the way you can feed the intelligence. आपको पता है, you know, all these brahmacharis in the temple, they are people like us, है ना? The reason why they can do that, what they are doing, and we can't, the only difference is they have fed their intelligence so much. Mind को मिल रहा है सब कुछ, लेकिन intelligence इतनी strong हो गई है कि there is no issue. They don't have to put, they never have to think about do I snooze it. मैं एक बार पूछ रहा था, I was talking to one of the brahmachari and I said, hey, आपको तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती उठने में? बोले हाँ नहीं होती है। मैंने कहा यार कितना लकी हो ना कि आपको you have no problem, आपका माइंड आपको परेशान नहीं करता है। बोले नहीं, माइंड तो हमें अभी भी परेशान करता है, बट प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है। मैंने कहा व्हाट इज हाउ डज दैट वर्क? कहता है बिकॉज मुझे पता है कि आई हैव टू गेट अप। मैंने कहा सो आपको दिमाग में आता है कि आई शुड नॉट गेट अप टुडे? बोला एवरी डे समथिंग इनसाइड मी टेल्स मी यार थोड़ी देर और सो जा, बट आई डोंट, बिकॉज आई हैव वर्कड ऑन माय इंटेलिजेंस। अब कई बार क्या होता है, the only way to make the intelligence stronger is read scriptures and chant the holy name of the Lord. There is actually no other way. That's why in this world there are millions and millions and millions of research has been done how to reduce depression, anxiety, bad habits and all of that. None of this, nothing works. If something works, it's a temporary. Like for example, हड्डी टूट गई है and scratch आ गया है, you're not curing the हड्डी टूटना, scratch के ऊपर बैंडेड लगा दिया बस। That's how our medical science is working. You know, psychologists, psychotherapists, you know, all of these people, what are they doing? They're trying to band-aid us. Actually, if you really want to get out of this zone of full control on yourself, then only thing you have to do is one thing: increase the amount you feed to your intelligence. Now I'm gonna tell you something which we were discussing when I was coming here. The most important part of this program, इस पूरे प्रोग्राम का most important part क्या है, कोई बता सकता है? Not here. पीछे से. The whole program, what we do in the program, not you guys. So we do, सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करते हैं? We do कीर्तन, then we do Mangalacharan, chanting, and then we Mangalacharan, and then we do class, and then we do question answers, and then we do prasadam. What is the most important part of the whole five process? Yes, कीर्तन। आपको पता है chanting and कीर्तन are the most important part. ये जो हम लोग भी पढ़ रहे हैं ना, it will only give you, and remember, listen to this. ये जो 1.5 घंटे की क्लास है, it will only give you 1% of benefit. 99% of benefit comes from कीर्तन and chanting. And मेरे को पता है कि आपके अंदर एक क्रिटिक है, वो बैठ के बोल रहा है ना, how is this possible? Because मेरे अंदर भी वही बोल रहा था when I was sitting. I know that all of you thinking that's exaggeration. कम से कम 70-30 बोलते तो समझ में आता है। 99, but I'm not. You have something to add, Mike?
Last time you said it was 10%.
I increased it. 99%. I am not saying it. Scripture is saying it, better. 99% of the growth in spiritual life, in any life, is actually spiritual sound vibration and knowledge about God. So ये जो knowledge about God है, the reason why जैसे मैं देखता हूँ, everybody comes here around 7:30. Program starts at 6:45. We start Kirtan at 6:45. The people who are really serious about their growth, they know they're missing out on 99% अगर वो कीर्तन नहीं अटेंड करेंगे. कुछ लोगों के साथ प्रॉब्लम है. Some people are coming late from work. मेरे को समझ में आता है. I understand. It's बच्चों को तैयार करना, लाना. It's a lot of work. I understand. It's the last day of the week. I know all of that. I just want you guys to know what you are missing out on. आपको पता है वो 15-20 minutes का कीर्तन will give you so much of potency to grab every single word that you will hear from this 1.5 hour class, 1 hour class. And that is why it is extremely important, extremely important that we attend Kirtan. आप लोग कोशिश करो, मैं आपको झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. You try this for 5 to 6 weeks in a row. Come from Kirtan and attend the whole program starting from Kirtan. You will feel the difference. आंख बंद करके when you're doing Kirtan, आंख बंद करके when you do chanting, ये जो चीज मैं बोल रहा हूँ, these things are less gross and more subtle. कैसे? ये नॉलेज हम लोगों ने अभी बात करी कि इंटेलिजेंस होनी चाहिए, माइंड हमारा पावरफुल है, ये हमको सबको पता है. एवरीबडी नोज कि अगर मैं जंक फूड खाऊंगा इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर मी. एवरीबडी नोज, है ना? फिर भी 50-60% पीपल हैव सीरियस इशू, देयर हेल्थ इश्यूज. क्यों? नॉलेज इज नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट. नॉलेज डज नॉट वर्क. देयर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. अगर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए, you will get information, but would it transform you? Sometimes little bit, yes, not 100%. अगर आपको सच में ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन चाहिए है तो you follow the process the way it is. For example, कोई आपको, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, डॉक्टर बोलता है this is antibiotics, you have to take 1 in the morning after meal, 1 in the evening after meal. फिर आप लेके आया तो बोले मैं नहीं खाऊंगा मील के साथ, I'll have it whenever I want. और I have it 2 days, 2 दिन की एक साथ खा ली क्योंकि 2 दिन मैं खा नहीं पाऊंगा, मैं कहीं बाहर हूँ. Would it work? Why doesn't it work? Because जो prescription लिखा है उसके हिसाब से when you do it will impact. ऐसा नहीं है कि एंटीबायोटिक will not work at all अगर आपने टाइम पे नहीं खाई. It will still work, लेकिन उसका इम्पैक्ट कम होगा. अब लोग बोलते हैं एंटीबायोटिक के साथ you cannot have alcohol, है ना? अब बोले नहीं यार, I'll just have it with the scotch. एंटीबायोटिक जो काम करने के लिए अंदर जा रही है, आपने अल्कोहल से उसको ऐसे ही मार दिया. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन इज यू आर डूइंग, खा रहे हो, दवाई खा रहे हो, लेकिन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन के साथ नहीं खा रहे हो. यू आर नॉट डूइंग इट प्रिस्क्राइब्ड. सो प्रिस्क्राइब्ड प्रोग्राम इज अटेंड कीर्तन. ऑल द किड्स, एवरी सिंगल किड, जो छोटे छोटे बच्चे हैं, एवरीवन शुड बी इन द कीर्तन. एवरी सिंगल पर्सन, बिकॉज इवन इफ दे डोंट एंजॉय इट, just sitting there listening to this vibration will change something drastically. उनकी इंटेलिजेंस अपने आप स्ट्रांग हो रही है. तो when they make a decision, they will not make a decision based on कि क्या अच्छा लग रहा है. आपको पता है बच्चों के prefrontal cortex is not very developed. Prefrontal cortex में क्या होता है? It manages emotions. So for example, sometimes बच्चों को गुस्सा आ रहा होता है, but they don't know क्या हो रहा है उनके साथ. They just feel frustrated. They don't know. They can't express themselves. वो कहाँ से आ रहा है? Because उनका प्रीफ्रंटल कॉर्टेक्स इतना डेवलप नहीं है, सो दे कैन नॉट आइडेंटिफाई, दे कैन एक्सप्रेस देयर इमोशन. लेकिन हम लोगों का तो है ही ना, वी कैन एक्सप्रेस आवर इमोशंस. सो नाउ इफ वी एक्चुअली रियली वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस एंड गो डीपर इनटू इट, यू डू इट विद प्रोसेस. प्रिस्क्रिप्शन क्या है? कीर्तन टू प्रसादम, दैट्स द प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. अगर आप, ऐसा नहीं है कि पोटेंसी 0 हो जाएगी, पोटेंसी सिर्फ 1% रह जाएगी. But I'm giving you this example, but obviously I understand if you have other commitments and things like that, if it's not working out, but make it a priority. There's some announcement, और ये announcement मैंने बीच में इसलिए कर रहा हूँ because starting में बहुत कम लोग आते हैं, तो I put this slide in the middle so that I can give this announcement. Janmashtami is coming. जन्माष्टमी जिस दिन है, what day is it when the Janmashtami is? Day. 26 Wednesday. So it's a Wednesday, na? So what we will do is a Friday before that we will organize a Janmashtami program here. ठीक है? तो उसमें हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will do a lot of programs for kids. Kids can perform. उस दिन कोई क्लास नहीं होगी. We will just do कीर्तन kids can perform, even adults. अगर आप लोगों को कुछ perform करना है, you can perform. Every performance has to be devotional. ठीक है? ऐसा नहीं कि you know like कुछ भी like you know it cannot be a Hollywood or Bollywood. It needs to be spiritual. ठीक है? And you can have like you know dress up fully like you know क्योंकि भगवान कृष्ण का जन्म हो रहा है. When you go to a birthday party, how do you dress up? You dress up like that. You come like fully dressed up. बच्चों को you can actually have a fancy dress competition for kids. Kids will get some prizes. We will do some activities. तो मैं आपको इसलिए बता रहा हूँ so that you can start thinking about कि आप लोगों को किसी को कुछ perform करना है. Coordinate with रुचिता माता जी. Another thing is on the Janmashtami day, रुचिता माता जी has got a slot in temple. Temple में एक performance हो रहा है बच्चों का. Age 7+. आप लोगों के बच्चों को किसी को participate करना है. They will be singing Madhurashtakam. So you have to remember the lyrics and everything. So अगर आप में से कोई interested है, रुचिता माता जी से बात करो. And the performance, the actual performance is, dress rehearsal is on 10th of August. So उससे पहले सब कुछ prepare करना है. So if you are interested, please speak to Ruchita Mataji. You can speak to Ruchita Mataji, okay? That's his mother. And another thing is 4th of August is a Sunday. 4th of August, we are taking people to temple to see the morning program. So morning में क्या होता है? मंगला आरती होती है 4:30 AM. Temple in the city. तो हम लोग, if you guys want, we all go as a Bhakti Viksha family together. Bring your kids. Sunday है, एक दिन सिर्फ है ना. Plan it accordingly. अभी मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. I'll put it in the note anyway in the group. But क्या करेंगे? 4th of August को we will do the whole 4:30 to 5 o'clock आरती होगी. From 5 to 5:45 or 6 o'clock, 1 hour we will chant inside the temple room with all the devotees. है ना? And after that we will actually go to a theater room. Theater room में there is another devotee. His name is Gaur Sevak Prabhu. He's Jaydev Gaur Sevak Prabhu. He's very amazing. He has been going to Mangala Aarti for last 11 years. He has not missed even one. एक बार बहुत बीमार हो गए थे. People had to tell him off. No, doctor ने बोल दिया था you can't go, but he was still going to Mangala Aarti because he's such a he wanted, he loves it. So he is an incredible guy. He's going to talk about अपना उनकी खुद की जर्नी के बारे में. And then 7 o'clock there is Darshanarti, and then after 7 o'clock, 7:30 is Srimad Bhagavatam class, and उसके बाद we will have breakfast prasadam at 8:30, 8:45, and then by 9:30, 9:45 we'll be free. And if you guys want, we can go across the road on the beach for kids to play in the playground and hang out, and then we can go home. So this is a plan. आप लोगों में से कोई भी interested हो, please let us know. It is 4th of August. More things, I will put that on the system, on our group. But please make sure that you're planning now. Sunday को सुबह 4:30 से लेके 9:30, 5 hours मंगला programs करें, morning program of temple. I'm telling you, you will. मैं पहली बार गया था. I've never had any experience before like that. It is incredible. So आप में से कोई गया है? किसी ने morning program attend करा है मंदिर का? आपने करा है ना?
You have?
I have. आप लोगों में से किसी ने करा? No. Okay. It will be incredible experience. देखो, it is still inconvenient. Intelligence has to rule. तो आपको क्या लगता है? आधा घंटा लेक्चर मैंने इसलिए दिया था because of but think about it. If you don't want to come, find out why. Why is something inside you saying no to this? This is gonna improve your intelligence even further. So please see if you can make this. Let's move forward. So now we're going to talk about some frequently asked questions about souls. Okay? Now let's repeat after me. I think we've discussed this, but I want you to repeat after me, okay? Vasam shijirnani yatha vihaya Navani granati naroparani Tatha sharirani vihaya Can someone read this? Adi, do you want to read the? Sorry, next one.
As person puts on new dresses, giving up old ones, the soul similarly accepts new material bodies, giving up the old and useless ones.
That's it. You want to read the bottom one? You want to read the shloka? Yeah, read it. Yeah.
Vasamni
Yeah, you repeat after that.
Vasamsi Jana
कोई बात नहीं, आप practice कर लो.
Sorry, you can just read the bottom.
You can read the bottom one, beta. Read the bottom one. The soul.
The soul leaves the gross body behind and is taken to another womb based on the quality of desires stored in his subtle body at the time of death.
Did you hear that? The soul leaves the gross body behind and is taken to another womb based on what? Quality of desires are stored where? What is subtle body?
Mind, intelligence, and
false ego. So in mind, intelligence और false ego में कौन आपका friend है? Intelligence. Mind. Actually, Krishna कहते हैं भगवद गीता में mind can be the best friend and the worst enemy. है ना? The reason is अगर आपका mind, if your intelligence is very strong, you can tame the mind. आपको पता है शेर को कैसे पकड़ा जाता है? How do they tame the lion? I've read it. क्या करते हैं ये लोग? They जंगल में से शेर को पकड़ के लाया and they don't feed him for days like weeks, कुछ भी नहीं खिलाया उसको इतना थका देते हैं, इतना कमजोर हो जाता है, he can't even roar, दहाड़ भी नहीं मार पाता वो, he could not, nothing comes out of his mouth when he's saying हवा निकल रही है बस, nothing, इतना कमजोर हो जाता है. Then अब कमजोर हो गया, then they started beating him, है ना? Then they started beating him और फिर उसके बाद they start teaching him, क्योंकि ना वो इतना थक गया है कि he cannot do any शिकार or anything, and they all have massive bats and stuff. And then slowly and gradually उसके बाद क्या होगा? उसको खाना भी खिला दिया, even then he can't do anything. इसको कहते हैं taming a lion. हमारा जो mind है exactly the same. The more and more you give in to the lion, the more and more he will. So sometimes you can do is you can starve your mind. आपको पता है हमारे शास्त्रों में सारे के सारे जो फास्टिंग होती है क्यों होती है? भगवान कोई बोलता है तुम्हारे भगवान को ये मजा आता है जब मैं तकलीफ में होता हूँ. मतलब you know, why does your God love so much that people are suffering? That means I'm fasting, I'm suffering. Why does my God loves it? God has nothing to do with this. We fast not because God loves us to fast. We fast because we can starve our mind. Fasting में क्या होता है? Your mind is 24/7 saying, hey, come on man, थोड़ा सा, कोई भी नहीं देख रहा है, nobody is there. एक बार खा लिया तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? नेक्स्ट फोर्टनाइट से करना है, नेक्स्ट एकादशी हर महीने में 2 बार आती है, क्या है? Mind will tell you that. लेकिन if you starve your mind, what will happen? One day your mind, जैसे ब्रश होता है ना, छोटे बच्चों को हम लोग क्या करते हैं? बचपन में जब बच्चा छोटा होता है क्या करते हैं? उसको ब्रश करना है. कई बार बच्चों के लगा भी देते हैं. फिर वो थोड़ा सा बड़ा होता है, पहले तो डर के करता है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा हो जाता है तो एज ए ड्यूटी करता है कि यार मेरे पापा बोलेंगे ब्रश करा, मैं बोलूंगा नहीं, ही विल बी सो सैड कि मैं उनकी बात नहीं मानता हूँ, सो आई जस्ट एज ए ड्यूटी आई विल ब्रश माय टीथ. एंड देन व्हेन ही ग्रोज अप देन ही विल स्टार्ट ब्रशिंग टीथ ऑन देयर ओन. कहाँ डिफरेंस कहाँ आया? सेम एक्शन है. Where the difference came from? Difference came from understanding. Difference came from कि now my mind is not as strong as my intelligence when it comes to the action of brushing my teeth. Same with everything. हमारे शास्त्रों में जो बोला जाता है ना कि you avoid this and you do this. ये दोनों चीजों में इसलिए बोला जाता है ताकि we can develop that tendency. So the question comes, what happens to us after death? Repeat after me. Nayanam chindanti shastrani.
Nayanam chindanti shastrani.
Nayanam dahati pavakah.
Nayanam dahati pavakah.
Na chainam kledayanti apo.
Na chainam kledayanti apo.
Na shoshyati maruta.
Na shoshyati maruta.
ये गलत इसमें because font मेरे पास वो था नहीं शायद उसने copy ढंग से नहीं करा. So the translation. Do you want to read the translation, beta? Can you pass on the mic?
The soul can never be cut to pieces by
Nayanam chindanti shastrani. So soul cannot be cut into pieces by a weapon. Next.
nor burned by fire.
Nayanam dahati pavaka. Pavaka is fire, agni.
Nor
Then-
moistened by water.
Nai chainam kledayanti apo. है ना? पानी से गीला नहीं कर सकते उसको. And the last one is
Nor withered by the wind.
ना शोचति मारुता. मारुता मतलब हवा. हवा से भी नहीं कुछ हो सकता उसको. So what happens to us after death? We will go to a soul is untouched. It will go to a next one. तो but that doesn't mean कि हमें knowledge आ जाएगी तो हमारे emotion खत्म हो जाएंगे. कई लोग बोलते हैं ना, अरे भगवत गीता मत पढ़ो, you will become emotionless, probably leave the house. लोग बोलते हैं it's rubbish because भगवत गीता बोली गई थी अर्जुन को. Arjun knew all of this, and then suddenly जब अभिमन्यु died, he cried like he was howling, screaming. तब कृष्णा उनके पास नहीं गए. अरे 45 मिनट खड़े हो गए, तेरे को पूरी भगवत गीता सुनाई थी, अब तू रो रहा है. I told you, नैनम छिन्दन्ति शस्त्राणि नैनम दहति पावका. क्यों रो रहा है? नहीं बोला उन्होंने. He went and gave him a hug. That just because हमको ये knowledge है, that doesn't mean कि we stop acknowledging other people's emotion. है ना? Question comes: is the soul in every body the same soul or a different soul? What do you think? Same soul? How many of you say it's the same soul?
But different desires.
And how many of you think it's a different soul? Okay, the answer is it's not the same soul. It's completely different. It is completely different. Now, Bhagavad Gita में भगवान कहते हैं ममेव वांशो जीव लोके जीव भूता सनातना. You guys are my separated part and parcel from Sanatan, eternity. और एक और जगह भगवान कहते हैं अर्जुन को, ये जो सारे राजा देख रहे हो ना, they existed in the past. You existed in the past. I existed in the past. We all exist now and we will exist tomorrow. कई लोग बोलते हैं ना कि soul मरने के बाद they go and merge into the Lord or whatever it is. That is not correct as per scriptures. Nothing. We all are separate living entities coming from God. We all have one thing common, which is हमारे पास, क्योंकि हम लोग भगवान से निकले हैं, तो हमारे में हम जो अंश है भगवान के, तो हमारी जो क्वालिटी है वो भगवान जैसी ही है. कैसे? लाइक ओशन वाटर में से मैं एक ड्रॉप ओशन का वाटर का लेके आऊंगा, उस ओशन का वाटर का जो ड्रॉप का केमिकल कंपोजिशन है, उसका केमिकल कंपोजिशन और द ओशन का केमिकल कंपोजिशन विल बी सेम. What difference कहाँ है? Quantity. What an ocean can do, a drop cannot do. ठीक है? Ocean can create clouds and rain and all those sort of things. A drop cannot do it. है ना? So हम लोग क्या है? We are all drops. And Krishna is supreme. We are Anu. He is Vibhu. So difference. और दूसरी बात कोई बोलेगा, okay, if we are like God, हमारी qualities God की जैसी क्यों नहीं है? है ना? Because God does not have those three layers. है ना? God does not have subtle body and God does not have material gross body. क्योंकि हमारी इससे कवरिंग हो रही है, इसके कारण, because we are covered with ignorance, that is why we don't show or we don't feel the qualities of God. But we are, जैसे एक सोना है ना, सोने, if you take a small piece of gold out of a whole mountain, it has the same chemical composition, but the quantity is different, the value is different. Similarly with us, independence is different. न तेवाहं जातु नासं न त्वं नेमे जनाधिपा न चैव न भविष्यामः सर्वे वयम् अतः परम्. Can someone please read the translation? Yeah, where's the mic?
Never was there a time when I did not exist, nor you, nor all these kings, nor in the future shall any of us cease to be.
This is the proof that we were talking about. Now, second question. Does the soul have form? Wait. How many? Okay, either yes or no. How many of you say yes? Raise your hand. How many of you said no? Raise your hand. Alright. The answer is soul does have a form. Problem is, there is a problem. Soul. So there is a soul in an ant, and there is a soul in elephant. Okay? Now I'll ask you, does soul have a form?
Yes.
How?
It takes the form of the body.
Like what? Like water?
It is microscopic inside the heart.
Oh, beautiful. Again, next level. It's actually true. Now let's step back a little bit. That is, let's go a little bit back. How do I know? I know that soul has a form. How do I prove it? The problem with this is the reason why like a glove. Okay? There is a glove. The soul gives form to a matter. इस वाली जगह पर ये हमारे जो पृथ्वी लोक है, जो मृत्यु लोक जिसको कहते हैं, यहां पर the soul does not show a form, but it has a form. क्या फॉर्म है उसका? This has an actual form in a spiritual world. क्योंकि यहां पर ये जो सोल है, ये इतनी सूक्ष्म है. सूक्ष्म मतलब साइज में भी छोटी है, but it is actually subtle. साइज में तो छोटा है, and we'll talk about the size of the soul anyway, है ना? So the soul does have a form, but in spiritual world, यहाँ पर it takes the form of the body it is in. Does it make sense? Now the next one comes is where does the soul reside? Yeah, I know we discussed this.
He already told.
Where?
In the heart. In the heart.
Yes, the soul actually resides in the heart. Now, problem is, what happens during the heart surgery? What happens? अगर सोल हार्ट में है, हम लोगों ने हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट कर दिया, हार्ट निकाल दिया, दूसरा लगा दिया, फिर
the soul is so small that the people can't see it.
No, they can't see it, but if it's in the soul, जहाँ पर सोल है, वही पार्ट ही निकाल दिया, फिर क्या? फिर कहाँ गई? फिर तो चली जाती थी ना उसके साथ.
It stays there. It is not tied to the heart. It is.
That's correct. Good, very good. Like for example, yes.
I just want to ask: is it written somewhere that
Yes.
it is soul?
Yes. It's Shutashvar Upanishad. I'll give you the references. It is written. It's near the heart. It's in the region of the heart. It doesn't say in the heart. It says in the region of the heart. Now, simple example. अगर एक chair लगी हुई है, ठीक है? If I'm sitting on a chair, somebody comes and takes the chair away and gives me a new chair. I sit on the chair. Similarly, when you do open heart surgery, the soul gets up. You take the heart out. You put a new heart in. Soul sits back again. Simple. Yes.
If the surgery is not right, then
That's different. Then soul goes, okay, wrong, something went wrong. Yes.
Is it a concept of like the Atmaram which comes up like after जब उसको the body को burn कर देते हैं, then we do the Atmaram होता है जिसे कहते हैं यहाँ इसमें soul होता है. Is that the thing?
Yeah, the thing is Atmaram word is a very हम लोग इसको बड़ा loosely use करते हैं. Atmaram is another name of Lord Krishna. Atmaram का क्या मतलब होता है? Someone who is satisfied in himself. He doesn't need any external thing to be satisfied. That's called Atmaram. तो हम जो वो करते हैं ना, that is just a rip-off of that. Anyway, all right. Next question. What is the size of the soul? I know you guys know because we discussed this in the last Bhakti Yaksha. Anyone? You forgot? Then why are you raising your hand?
it is this, that it's...
Hang on. You will see. I'll give you a chance. If no one says anything, anybody knows? No. Okay. Now you can try. Give it a go.
The size can be anything. You can't see it? Wait, what?
Size of the soul. This is actually Shvetashwar Upanishad में mentioned है the size of soul is 1/10,000th tip of hair. एक बाल है, उसको निकालो, then you cut it to 100 pieces, 100 मतलब उसमें diametrically, ठीक है? And then you cut that one piece another into 100. This is how much small is the, and I'm not saying this. So, yes, beta.
How did they measure that then?
I didn't measure it, beta. I tried, but I couldn't measure it. But I looked into Shvetashwar Upanishad. It actually says, and the thing is, we can actually measure. अगर आप चाहो ना, तो कोई बोलेगा, oh, if it's 1/10,000th of a tip of a hair, we can use microscope for it. Show me. But the soul का जो size है, इतना है. But even that size is a subtle. It's not gross. All we can see is gross. We can't. Can you see radio waves here? No. Can we see? Is there a radio wave in this room? Yeah. Yes. Can we see it? No. Why? Because it's subtle. Our gross eyes cannot see subtle things. जब हम लोग radio wave को नहीं देख सकते हैं, how can we expect to see the soul, which is even subtler than radio waves? Radio waves को हम लोग कम से कम उसमें अपने मटेरियल उसमें मेजर तो कर सकते हैं, ट्यून करके कर सकते हैं, but we can't do that with the soul. Now the problem is, same size of the soul is in ant and a bacteria and an elephant. Now somebody will ask, how can I see the soul? आपने बोल दिया ब्रिजेश प्रभु ये श्वेताश्वर उपनिषद और ये वो, but I want to see the soul. Prove it to me. The thing is, first of all, can you see the soul? The answer is actually yes. We can see the soul, but differently. We have to follow a process. The process is, can we see oil in the oil seeds? We cannot. लेकिन जब हम प्रोसेस करेंगे उसको, we do it a process, then you can see. ठीक है? आप बोलो कि यार ये इस ग्रेन में से ऑयल कैसे है? इसमें ऑयल तो है नहीं. You have to put this grain through a process in order for you to see the oil. Similarly, दूध में घी होता है, वो दिखता नहीं है. You have to process the milk in certain way to get that dahi. So there is a process. See, and गन्ने में गन्ना, you know what ganna is? Huh? A lot of people don't know it. You probably know. Do you know what ganna is, beta? You know what ganna? Ganna. Name of a baby. All right. So ganna is sugar cane. So in sugar cane there is no sugar, है ना? But when you process it, you can actually do it. So how can we see the soul? Through a procedure. Material science में हर चीज को measure करने का पता है क्या होता है? We have physics में we have physics, chemistry, biology. There are different branches which have different apparatus. Similarly, spiritual science के लिए we have an apparatus, which is we'll discuss. The aim of material science, aim, apparatus, theory, procedure, observation, conclusion. Similarly, aim for spiritual science to see God. Apparatus is spiritual apparatus. Theory is study of scriptures. Procedure is mantra meditation. मैं आपको बोल रहा था ना, मंत्र जो हम करते हैं कीर्तन और हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र. It is a procedure, an observation to see the Lord. And conclusion is yes, the soul can be seen by spiritual practices. Now I have the last slide in here. Can I take another 5 minutes? Is that okay? Okay. Last slide. Now there are 3 advantages of knowing about soul. हम लोगों ने पूरा discuss करा 3 advantages. अगर आप चाहो तो next week we can do a quiz on this. Is that okay? Adi? Yeah. Next week is a quiz. So what are the advantages? The first advantage is freedom. अगर हमें पता चल जाए I am not this body, तो somebody comes, बेटा एक सेकंड, somebody comes and insults me. If I tell myself I am not this body, this person is insulting my body. Yeah, it is easier. हमेशा नहीं, it is a little bit more easier to get away with it because we are less attached to matter. दूसरा है forgiveness. Insults are only for the soul. We can easily forgive. कि यार देखो बंदा, we were talking about something in the car, me and Anup Prabhu. Suppose कोई बहुत ही somebody has done a massive, आप लोग बहुत बुरी insult करी है, तो पहले क्या आता है, एक दो लगा देते हैं इसको. लेकिन अब क्या आता है, यार पता नहीं क्या, what is he dealing with? He must be in a very bad state of mind. That's why he's angry at me. कहाँ है difference? How does same situation give me two different results? क्योंकि we have become more forgiving, है ना? तो ऐसा भी नहीं कि I go and punch my friend and say, hey, you're not blood body, I'm just hitting the body. I'm not talking about that. Forgiveness and then forbearance, it's tolerance. अभी मैंने आप लोगों को बताया इंटेलिजेंस और माइंड में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. इंटेलिजेंस क्या करता है? डिसीजन, राइट और रॉन्ग. एंड माइंड क्या करता है? इमोशंस ओनली. इट्स ओनली प्रोसेसेस इमोशन. क्या अच्छा है, क्या बुरा, क्या अच्छा लग रहा है, क्या बुरा लग रहा है ना. सो व्हेन वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस वी कैन टॉलरेट आवर माइंड एज वेल समटाइम्स. नाउ अगर मैंने आप लोगों को ये बता दिया, नाउ इट विल बी इजियर फॉर यू टू टॉलरेट योर माइंड. कैसे? यार आई रियली फील लाइक having a chocolate right now, really. Now you think, oh, but I went to the gym for 45 minutes today, all kachra ho jayega sab kuch. So then you discuss with your mind and then your mind goes, yeah, itni thodi si chocolate, itni si. And then you say, intelligence will say, okay, you know what, I will give you this, but only on Sunday. Every Sunday you can have a piece of chocolate. Now suddenly what we did is, we told the mind, we didn't say mind को थप्पड़ नहीं मारा है, भाग यहाँ से, क्योंकि वो भागेगा नहीं. तो क्या बोलो उसको? टेंशन मत ले, तेरा भी नंबर आएगा. कब आएगा? संडे को, guaranteed. बच्चों के साथ हम ये तो करते हैं, है ना? नारायण wants to watch something. मैंने इसको बोला कि संडे. So Wednesday को बोला था मैंने इसको. He remembers every day. संडे आने वाला है. But it's good, it works. हमारा माइंड भी ऐसा है बच्चे के जैसा. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू डू इज, वी डोंट नीड टू नेग्लेक्ट द माइंड, वी नीड टू मोल्ड द माइंड. ऐसे कि हम लोग उसको ट्रिक करना है. वी कैन, इंटेलिजेंस कैन ट्रिक द माइंड ओनली व्हेन इंटेलिजेंस इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन आवर माइंड. ऑलराइट, थैंक यू वेरी मच. श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय. एनीबॉडी हैज एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनी कमेंट्स? यस.